This is the Fire Guy, and welcome to Fire Alarms 101. In today's video, we will be functionally testing primary and alternate elevator recall as it is associated with your fire alarm system. Step 1. Activate elevator lobby smoke detector. In this case, second floor for primary elevator recall. As the smoke detector initiates an alarm, both the main fire panel and elevator will activate sounders. The elevator begins the recall as I clear out the smoke detector with compressed air. Note this is the star floor and verify the elevator has recalled correctly and the fire service hat is illuminated. Verify the alarm and description at the main fire alarm control panel, and if everything is correct, go ahead and reset. Once the fire alarm panel has been reset, you can go ahead and reset the elevator. Then verify the elevator has been reset correctly and has resumed to normal service. Step 2 will be activating alternate elevator recall, and for the purpose of today's test, this will be the first floor. And we will be repeating the same method as in step 1. Make sure the panel is returned to normal service and that all your notifications of testing are completed. Verify your signals with Central Station. Be safe out there, everyone, and thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and let me know what you all think, and don't forget to subscribe for more great videos like this in the future.